step back in time and view the history of this character estate, 8 Tullamore, Maunu.
So come on inside and see the beautiful original features this glorious home has to offer.
This stand-up property is as timeless and charming as they come. Prepare to fall in love with this well-maintained bungalow with its character features. Handmade stained glass windows, high stud with stunning plaster ceilings, generous living spaces, and polished wood floors. Additional to the main house is a self-contained loft with a large workshop beneath, offering options galore. A home that has a history, romance remembered, grace revisited, and elegance found, now ready for the next chapter in her life.
So, come and fall in love with this beautiful homestead.
Sherry and Jono, give us a call today or see you at the open home.